Hey to you, I'm Ken Meehan, and this is the Deep South forecast. We're going to take a look at the weather from Arkansas all the way to the Georgia coast and then some, and we have plenty of sunshine this afternoon, letting temperatures getting into the middle 80s for the most part. We have 85 degrees in Shreveport, the state capital of Mississippi. Jackson coming in at 86 degrees, and we also have a 90-degree reading in Dothan, Alabama. Destin, Florida coming in at 85 degrees. And humidity-wise, dew points in the middle 50s in a lot of places, so that is some comfortable air in Fort Smith and Shreveport. We do have a pocket of some drier air with dew points in the upper 40s in Memphis, 49-degree dew point. That drier air is invading northern Mississippi and northern Alabama. We do have a little bit more humid air off to the south in New Orleans at 64 and Destin, Florida at 67. They're used to dew points in the lower 70s, so all in all, the weather is not too bad down to our south. And we do have some fair weather cumulus clouds this afternoon and no rain to speak of for much of the deep south. It is sunny in Arkansas, but we have some fair weather cumulus clouds in Louisiana, southern sections of Mississippi and Alabama. We also have just a couple of isolated showers in northern Georgia around Brasstown Bald, a couple of showers firing up, and in north central Georgia as well. A little bit more cloud cover in Florida and the Florida Panhandle, as we do have a front which is in the Gulf of Mexico and just clipping southern Florida, bringing some thunderstorms to the Everglades and Miami. And that front stretches off into the Atlantic Ocean, where more clouds and more rain is occurring. We're going to be dry for the most part here on Tuesday. We do have a cold front that'll be moving through, and it is going to be rather dry as it moves through the deep south. Only a few clouds are showing where this front is, from New Orleans up through southern Mississippi into parts of Alabama. We're expecting this front to move through dry because we have a lot of dry air and not much upper level support to fire off any showers. So Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be dry once that cold front moves through. And we're going to get cool tonight as we have that dry air in place. We're going to have clear skies and calm winds, letting temperatures get into the upper 50s here in Starkville. A little bit drier air off to our north, so we'll see 54 in Tupelo, 54 in Oxford, and in Greenwood, 55 degrees. And that front will move through tomorrow. It'll be sunny, and temperatures will only get into the lower 80s as opposed to the mid-80s like your Monday afternoon. 82 in Starkville. Philadelphia coming in 83 degrees with northwesterly winds at 7 to 14 miles per hour. And that front's going to move through on Tuesday. You probably won't even notice it until Wednesday, where we're going to start off on the cool side with temperatures in the lower 50s on Wednesday. And then we're going to get into the upper 40s to start your Thursday and Friday. The good news is we're going to have plenty of sunshine throughout the week and into next weekend. It'll take us till next weekend on Sunday and Monday to get into the lower 80s. That's your Deep South forecast. Check us out tomorrow where Courtney Cooper will have your latest. We'll see you then.